Alright guys, today I just wanted to give you a little tip on these Milwaukee, these headlamps. Now, I bought these probably about, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, and I believe I got these at Home Depot. Anyway, they have a lifetime warranty on them, and I wear these all the time, and I drop them and so forth. And I went to plug them in the other day, and I turned this light on. So I started getting this blinking light here. See how it's going red and green, and they wouldn't turn on. And I'm hitting the button, nothing's happening. So I thought, okay, well, they're broken. So I got a little tip for you. I figured out how to fix these to get them working again. So we're gonna unplug it. There's this little flap down door here, and it's got 2 little tabs, one on this side, one on this side. We're gonna push that open like that. That exposes your battery. Now, what you can do is that when you drop this a lot, this may have came unseated in there. Take the battery out, and what I did was I just kind of reset the system. I kind of held this down for about 10 seconds, and then I let off of it, and you put your battery back in. Now make sure you line up the battery there with the metal tabs in there. All right, and make sure that that's seated in there properly. Close it back up, and then let's see, there we go, and then they turn back on. All right, so that's your lights aren't broken if you're freaking out or whatever, because these things were rather expensive. I think I paid like $100 for these. But if you're getting that blinking light there and they're not turning on, take the door down, take the battery out, hold the button in for about 10 seconds or so, put the battery back in, and voila, they've been working fine now every day. I don't know if holding that button down actually reset it, but originally what I did was I took the battery out, put it back in, it was still doing it. So then I just held the button down in case there was some type of a way to reset the system, or if there was a surge in there just to drain it all out. Put the battery back in, and they've been working fine ever since. Maybe that just happened for me, I don't know, but hey, it might help somebody out whose light broke and they're in the middle of the dark somewhere and they need their lights working, and maybe this will just help one person out. I don't know. If it did, hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. See you next time, guys.